Hi friends, it's Mrs. Nelson, today with an activity from the website openmiddle.com. Now openmiddle.com is a website that was founded by Nanette Johnson and Robert Kaplinski, who are two of my favorite math educators. And the reason they call it openmiddle.com is that there's a lot of problems that look like this, with empty boxes. Sometimes it's fractions, sometimes it's decimals, sometimes it's just addition. But the idea is that every problem has a specific start and every problem has a specific end. But what you do in the middle, how you choose to solve the problem, might be different from the people next to you. That's the open middle part. The beginning and the end are given to you, but the middle is up to you. So I'm going to show you an example of how your teacher might have you solve some open middle problems. This one is called Sums to 100. And the directions say, using the digits 1 to 9 at most one time each, fill in the boxes to create the closest possible sum to 100. And what I like to do is I have these little tiles out here because I like to be able to move my numbers around and try different things. Your teacher may have you do it somewhat differently, but if you've got tiles, make sure to pay attention to the rules. This one says using the digits 1 to 9, which means I won't get to use a 0 in this problem, so I'm going to take that 0 and put him away so I'm not tempted to use him to solve this problem. So now I need to fill in the boxes to create the closest possible sum to 100. I don't want to give too much away here, so I'm just going to let you watch me work. Okay. I think this is close. Let's see what I got. I have 30 plus 40 plus 20. So that's 30 plus 40 is 70. Plus 20 is 90. And then I have 1 plus 5 is 6, plus another 6 is 12. So 90 plus 12 is 102. That's pretty close to 100. I'm kind of proud of that. Now your teacher might have you record your answers differently, but I'm going to do it on this little slip of paper, which is the same problem, but something that I can turn into my teacher. And I'm going to record what I came up with. Okay, so that's 102. I'm going to put my name on this. But I've still got time. And I think I might be able to get closer to 100. So what I'm going to do right here is put the number 1 on this slip of paper to show that this was my first try. I'm going to take this aside. And now I'm going to start again. And I want to see if I can get any closer to 100 this time. I have a new strategy. Let's see if this works. 50 plus 10 is 60, plus 20 is 80, and then 9 plus 7 is 16, plus 4 is 20. So that means 80 plus 20 is 100. Friends, I got 100. This is exciting. So now I'm going to take another slip of paper, or however your teacher's having you record your attempts. I'm going to say this was my second attempt. I'll put my name on it. And now I'm going to write down my second attempt that equals 100. What I'm going to do now, because I'm super proud of this, is I want to tell the teacher what I figured out between my first attempt and my second attempt. Let's move these away. And we see that on that first attempt, I tried to make 90 with my tens place. And then I tried to make a 10 here, but I didn't have the right numbers. This time, I made 80. So I'm going to tell my teacher this. I made 80 with my tens and 20 with my ones. And I might write up here 90 with tens 12 with ones. How you choose to tell your teacher what your thinking was is up to you and your teacher, but I know that the more words I use, the easier it is for my teacher to know what I was thinking. So I'm pretty proud of this. Believe it or not, I've still got more time. I might just sit here and see if I can find another way to make 100 with these numbers. I wonder if you can too. I hope you have fun with Open Middle, my friends.